Welcome to the Journalism Runner channel, and I will provide you the beginner to advanced level VideoScribe tutorial, which I use the advanced VideoScribe apps at 2020. Now you see the surface, and I also provide many videos on VideoScribe, and it is a explanation video, and it is easy if you can learn. So you see the surface, and you see the different photos image, and it's a 7 star, and I use a previous different topic. And so at this time I will first you provide the data you should use. So stay with us. At first you see a project, and you would see you can export a media file. And like I was previously I was built a tutorial like Python tutorial, and you see different things like arrows, building photos, and call out, all types you can access this. And you know and you can use this for your desired topic. Like I was at the first time I was created Python's video, and I saw this full tutorial. And you see this the video, this photo, and it's the father of Python creator. So you can move it, and what you can stay your position, and there is the camera position, and you can fix this there. And next you can add some text to this here, and I was use this, and you know I use this text at the first time, and I copy this. And so there is the text, and you see you can paste this text, and you see all the type of all the type of font available there. You can use this, and you can change the change the color of this anythings. So I utilize the green color for this. And so uh, this is the kit, and you can, and there is a emergency backup you use. And you can make a small version and for this, and change their position, and, and yes, and camera position. And I will show the tutorial, and you can see this tutorial. So I will, and next there is the text moving there. So I will show the other things. And uh, yes, brother, and you see that it can be customized. And there is another portion like graphic filter, drawing option, and drawing hand. First time you see the draw, and next there is a move in, and next there is a fade in. And first you can draw image like you see a different, and you see different hand is different hand are there. And you see there's pens, and at the first time you can there is solo, but when there is download, you can use this, and you see this one, and you should click it. And next is the Roshi, and use the another format of you can customize you according your need. I don't use this, and it's not familiar with me. And so other things, Matt and Hana and Mickey, and different types. There is huge. There is the left hand. You can use the left hand, customize with your left hand. So I said yes, mean. So you can use according your need. And the first uh, and which is best. I think I use only pen, which may be more familiar and more effective. So there is a graphic filter, and you can blur it, and next you can go and more effective, and you increase the brightness, and also make a saturation, and also you can use a drop shadow, and also inner shadow or another things. And another things is uh, you can customize the color, outline, or grayscale or other things. So according to, and there is another things you can animate this, and animate is on kind of which the time of drawing or other movable the image is the means of the animation. And also post, when the after the transition the time you the image will be stop or not movable. So transition is the on kind of transition, and this is the movement to another portion. So you can rotate this according your need, and also increase the solid percentage. Other is the move in, and you can move from one place and one place. And so I show the things at the first time, and you see this, and I use this what the consideration, and you see, and the color, and it's movable, and also writing is this, and you can not use the zoom in, like you see that this is the zoom at the end. You can utilize if you are like to not zoom at the end. So and that things is you see the I will be utilize another text or use another text and image. So I think I totally remove it, and I use the another image. At the first time I use the text, so I go to the and I use another text like you know, and like this, and text image. Also I can change the position to according to my customize. And there is another font I use this, also different font. And if you want to import from this from the data, you should wait, and they automatically import from this. And so you can use this, and also can change the color of this. I will interest the bright blue color. It's very interested. It's and and you see you can increase the size of this according to I also move this, and also you can uh, drawing option or others things you can use it according to your need. I used to one interested to use this hand, but I am not feel interested to use this hand, and so I use the only uh, things I interested to use another hand, like it's, I see the preview. It's better than that, so I use this, and uh, you know uh, and you see the running of this write up. So I will be using this text, and you know there is a another font I see that, and graphic filter. You can go increase your gear, and also increase the brightness, increase, you can increase your brightness, use saturation or other things. And then you should customize according your need, and so I customize this according uh, to my need. And also you can see the increase the offset, others things, and you can animate or push or other things according to your need. So you can use the camera position, and also uh, yeah, also, and I then use uh, I use another image, that is that is so that is image. I use this image, and also I use this moving from one position to it, and you can overshoot or bounce or outline is rotate, and you can customize according your need. Also, and you can change the position of this. Also, you can uh, hit your hand, but I not use this at this time. So I will be use the most effective, like it's the I think most effective, and that time I use this, and I see the preview. It's the preview, but this is the sometimes rotate, and you can move or this is move. I see the not it has to rotate because it's not goods. So you can increase the size, and also change the camera position. You can refresh this camera position and then utilize this and fix this position, and also you can fix this position. Also, you can move this from one place to another. So, and next we can use other things like and the text. So I interest another text in this. So as I will like add the text from the word book, and also there is I utilize this and paste this, and also use the font. I interested to use the bold font, and it may eye catchy and make interested to people, and use the dark yellow color, and also you see this, and you can customize according your need. So I can I can use this add image, and it's a BBC, so I use this BBC, and you can download from the Google other things that as much as you like. So I think fade in, and you see the grayscale also in decrease the animate, and you see the first how the fade in is occurred, and also change the yes, you can make a small this, and yes, yes, and you can customize according to need. If you are interested to move in the upper side or the image is the lower side, you can use it. So you see the comedy series, and next there will be apart image, but position or note looks good, so you should change the position and fix the position, you know fix the position, and fix the position, and yes, it's a work. And next, yes, and you will fix the position, and see that it's not zoom in and fade in the image, you see that. And next, the things we are use the morph the things, so I interested to add text at this time. You see that, and you can customize according to your need, and you can change the color, like I use another color at that time, and so you can move in another position and can make a small according to your need. Yes, 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 you can move according to your need. You should keep patient for make better video, unless you are fed. So you can add image at this time, and according to your text development, or like you can use this image at this. I use this from Google or okay, and customize. When there is image, you should not uh, only draw image, and I use the morphine from one position to one position and decrease the animate. Also make the side color, and it's not that right. It's right, but it's not a good color. Full color is the better. So you in see the camera position, and like when there is a morphine and from BBC to this image. So I interested to add another text. It's a bulk text, and you can manage font, or you can utilize the bold font and increase the image, increase the color, and change the position. Yes, and make it small. When writing, you can usually use draw and make increase gap, other things, and animate this. Also can utilize this. So also can add image composition. Image is the most effective way to increase connection with your audience. So I think use this image. Also, I am download from the Google. So you can also download according to your need or need base. Fade in, using fade in. And so there is camera version and preview. See the preview. Also see the preview. You see this. It's a code like a butterfly. Also move. So I have interested to zoom in. So I am not interested to zoom in. Yes. See, not interested to zoom in. So I add another text for better get to perfect. Yes. And next I will be utilize a text and also chart, make a chart at that time. You see this. And you can utilize it according to your need. You can make a small, but you should not too much small that audience cannot see this and loss his attention. So it is there. And next we are utilize the chart. Like I use the name chart as the business analytics, and at first time I use the bar chart and make a label. What also, like at the first time this is the what 5, and also use the data value at like as 500 and is the 1000 is the 15,000. 1500 use this, and you'll see the chart, and you can make it bigger as like as. And also you can draw it or fade in the image, and you can uh, chart make another chart like pie chart, and also label business attribute like use Python, Java according your design. Yes, so I can set too much size and can make it small according to a need. I see on the demo. Yes, can make position also the. Yes, can fix this. Yes, and also make this fixed according to that. Can change the version Java and other things. And there is emergency backup. You can set up with future IOC. I can adjust the emergency backup. So you see the preview of this image. Yes, fade in, and also and other things. You see all things, and lastly I will add other text like you can utilize the last text like yes, you should patient or make a better VideoScribe video, otherwise you may fail. And it too much large, I will be customize it according to my need. Yes, so yes, and I change then the text like I use this text. You can use according text according your need. So this is, you can use this, make it small also. Yes, you can use this here at this like it's the version, and make a gap, increase the gap, draw right, left to right. So Yes, I should wait for, yes. I will say the preview. Okay, that's it. Left to right. It's another question. You can use this. And next, you can add image and things according to your need, and customize. And you can use this mute element, and you can lock this. You can not fix it, move it if you lock. So you can delete element by using this. And fade in, it's fade in also. Also can increase brightness, go a drop shadow, offset 5. According your need, you should, and then it's a bevel. Also, it's a good thing for customize it. So fixed it and see the preview. Yes, and uh, you there's a last thing I will use, and other thing that I will see, and also it's you can manage better, but it's maybe need a lot of time, so I not, yes. And also forward and change the color at that time. So change it. Yes, you can fix it version, and also add image according your need, like you use this chart, big chart, or you can delete these things and use this one. Also add the chart from according to your graphs, and it's just a JavaScript. I use the JavaScript and data value 500 is comma 10,000. It's 2 months, and you can use line graph as a font, and outside show value. Yes, it's a, but I see I'm not. Yes, it's a preview. Yes. Yes, you can make a position of this. Yes. According to a net, you can use this. So we are at the final position, and you can use this text and change the color. You see other things that there is many things, like you see the arrows, you can use arrows, emojis, all type of emojis also built-in, and people, male people, female people, and use according to, and I see use this image. Yes, according to your need. You can decrease the image because it's the too much search. Always use the bold word. So there is element. It is this element. I think fade in, and it's a good for this. So this is the, and now I will see the other things like music, voiceover, and also background also, and also other things. So dear viewers, I will now you can see how you can make the voiceover. So I go to the browser, and at first time I totally copy the text and use the browser, and there is a, I will provide link in the description, natural readers.com, and I use this text and also customize according to your needs. And you see the things.
Python was developed by the Dutch programmer.
I interested to mail for mail, and you know, you see the premium and plus. So I use this sound.
Python was developed by the Dutch programmer named Guido.
So there is the voice, and you can use this plus or premium version free, and use this technique. Please stay with us, and I will see how you can use this. Next, you download Audacity apps, and you see this, and you can use this, and also
Python was developed by the Dutch programmer named Guido van Rossum in 1989. He was named this programming language as Python influenced by Monty Python's Flying Circus, the popular comedy series runs on BBC at 1970 era. Python is essential for these top technology developments including computer graphics, web development, computer testing, web scripting, data analysis, machine learning, AI, big data, IoT. Top tech companies uses Python. About 75% of viewer recommendation analysis by Netflix powered by Python. Facebook uses Python to tag in posts and images. Google, NASA, Mozilla Firefox, IBM, Walt Disney, Dropbox, YouTube uses Python. Python is the second most popular language after JavaScript according to Rees-Monk's latest ranking. You can try Python for better future.
And you can stop this, and also you know, and you can download it at the first time, like you know, the what the yes it's a file, and you can save it, export, and also you can customize it, but I will be seeing the video. Export as mp3, also according to your need, like you know, like Python. customize. And you can customize according to need. MP3. Yes, it's a record. And so you can use this. And next I will be importing this. And at the first time, you should not add image or chart at the first time. You should use voiceover. After adding the voiceover, you should work accordingly this. So you can import this like music, but you can import this voiceover from this and your file, like you utilize this. Also, a lot of time needed. You should wait for your success.
Python was developed by the Dutch programmer named Guido van Rossum in 1989. He was named.
So, and the things you can add music. There is a lot of music, like I use this music, and also can decrease the sound because you should focus on your voice. Should is the main focus. So other things, let's say, and you can utilize it, and other things like you can change the background, like and also you can use this background according to your needs. So it's the final things, and you can export this and add according your image, other things, and also you can add the logo. I have the logo, so you can add your logo, like let's make a position in this position. So at this time you can add zoom in or other things. I should use better like better image. There will be show, not show. I use the fiber image, and you will see this fiber image at this position. So I will download from the like my YouTube YouTube things, YouTube logo, but at the file I use the fiber logo. At first I download it the position. Next I add it. But it's not match according to my ability. So I have used this image And so I use this image. I will use this the YouTube image. So you should download according to format. 720 is the best. Also AVI also is the best, and make a title according to your need. So it's the time yet for export. So at the final result, you see the video. I will provide you the video I get. This file, the video is good, and you can see the video.
Python was developed by the Dutch programmer named Guido van Rossum in 1989. He was named this programming language as Python, influenced by Monty Python's Flying Circus, a popular comedy series runs on BBC at 1970 era. Python is essential for these top technology developments, including computer graphics, web development, computer testing, web scripting, data analysis, machine learning, AI, big data, IoT. Top tech companies uses Python. About 75% of viewer recommendation analysis by Netflix powered by Python. Facebook uses Python to tag and posts and images. Google, NASA, Mozilla Firefox, Walt Disney, Dropbox. YouTube uses Python. Python is the second most popular language after JavaScript according to ReesMonk's latest ranking. You can try Python for better future.
So this is the video, and you will be see later for better video, and I will be customize according to. Please leave a leave a comment, and what your problem, I will be try to solve your problem. And best of luck, and see you